Laki nitong potent, ano?
Only they have to handle with care.
Same.
What size ang 250?
27.
Ha?
No, 365.
365?
It will come here. This is only for protection, safety.
But
So
here
it
no.
doesn't fall on the ground, you know. They change the floor.
Treatment mode. See, there is
Yeah, this
a
one.
aiming beam.
This one is missing in the other one.
Yeah, this is the
Before
one.
there was.
You need this during surgery without
Yeah,
this.
very hard this one. That's why this doctor complaining from us because our one laser they gun the aiming beam.
This is a cutter. Okay. So this cutter, you know, normally we have to do like this.
Only like that? Cut already?
Yes.
Or if you will
Okay,
keep
yeah.
some place and
Then the beam will not be correct.
Yeah, the beam is,
And your power is
the beam
Okay.
is scattered, yeah.
the beam is scattered, so it's not center.
you have to
It's
put like
center
this,
now.
zero, like this.
It's like a round, should be round.
Should be round.
And while cutting, this is 365. So use 365 cutter.
This one 365.
Yes. You can
If you want to cut this with this cutter, you can keep some.
No.
No,
You cannot
like this
do
on the.
Only in your hands only.
Only here. Don't do that because that will get damaged.
Yeah.
This one, you put it like this and you press here, okay? And then you remove. So you see, only the sleeve will come out.
Yeah, the white, the fiber only.
Yes, fiber one. And you can check here. If you want, you can cut this little bit. Normally, from the sleeve to this, it will be 4 to 5 mm. That's all. Yeah. You can put here like this. Okay. You can put this beam, and if you are not satisfied, means you can cut off. That's all. Yeah. You just say if it is good aim. That's all.
Yeah.
You don't need 100% round,
Yes.
but just the beam should be there, not like that
Scattered.
scattered.
Yes. Our old one is the aiming beam gun.
Yes. One, this is the 40 watt. There is the power here. This is say popcorn. You
Popcorn.
say it's preset.
Okay.
It's a preset one. Okay, and then you say only ready here. For this beam,
But if
you can reduce this beam aiming light.
brightness
You see this is very low.
can increase.
You can increase this one. So increasing means it will go deeper.
Deeper.
That's all. Yeah. But you don't check here. This will be wrong.
Yeah. It should be in the
It will
near.
just nearby. That's
Nearby.
all. Yeah. And average you can keep it. Yeah. If the doctor need more, we can put aiming
Like
light. And this is
Aiming
the
light,
aiming light. And then where? Okay. Oh yeah, I got it.
Oh, it will go up. It will go.
This will not harm your eyes.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
this is
Yes.
only
It's
beam.
aiming beam only this one. Not the red light.
While doing this one, what you do is here.
Just resting in the stone.
You can come this side.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
For example, that's the stone.
Yeah.
Pakai na
You
ako na
make it
mag-video.
ready.
Ready. Tapos ikaw magsalita. Ayun na.
Yeah. You can do like this. You can put here.
Okay.
You say, no, you say it's ready. Yeah. Without ready, it will not start.
Yes. Yes. Of course.
Okay. And now I'm using popcorn.
Okay.
Right. You have
Popcorn is
three.
the hard stone or
Popcorn is like some doctors want small pieces. So then you take
meaning popcorn. They want it.
Yeah.
It will break like
It's like
small
a
small.
popcorn,
Yeah,
small
small
piece.
small.
Yeah. And then there is fragment.
Yeah.
Fragment means it will cut into pieces.
Into pieces.
Bigger pieces. Dusting is it.
Yeah, that's the same with our olive oil.
Yeah, what we do is we put it here. You see here? That's like popcorn. Small
Yeah, small. Yeah.
pieces. We will break. And then I change it to fragment here. But to change, you have to go to standby.
Standby, yes.
Without standby,
You will not- you cannot change.
Yeah. Now you can
Fragment,
change
yes.
It is also a preset. Okay,
But we can change.
You can change.
You can make it high or
You
low.
can make it customized. You want to low, you can do it low. Okay, yeah. Now I
Make it ready.
Start. This is like fragment.
Yes.
Okay.
See the stone.
Better to put that cup. Yeah, this will.
Yeah, you put that.
Yeah, little bit. Don't need too much water. That's enough. Now you can try yourself here. You just have to hold anywhere.
Yes.
It will not hurt you. You just hold it there. That's it.
What about this?
Yeah, you can do for stone, you can do for
This fragment.
BHP, VPH. There is two of them. One is for cutting and one for the cutting the PM.
So this will do cut and fog also.
Yes.
It's not break. What is the frequency?
The frequency is 15.
15. 18 need more
Then
water.
you are not in the position. Yeah, it will little break.
Yeah.
Now I will do dusting.
Yeah, I make dusting. That's
Okay.
really break.
Yeah. Now you do dusting. Only you find dust will come out.
Small.
Yeah.
Same frequency.
Yeah. Frequency will change automatically.
Automatic. No.
This is preset.
Yeah. Preset.
It's faster.
Okay.
So now it's become cold.
Yeah.
And also the water become hot.
Oh, it will, of course, right. There is a lot of temperature.
Last
Even now it
50.
is, now it is 50 watts. Yeah.
How many?
Like I'm dusting.
How many watts?
When you do this laser, it's releasing a lot of heat.
Yes.
That's why they use rain water. Rain is going on continuously.
So this fragment. Preset. Frequency 50 to contact energy. 37 watts. 37.5. What's the purpose for this low color?
You can do the same. You can do it. Now in the stone mode, we are in the stone mode. This one, okay? This is in the stone. When you both the pedals are the same. So when you do in DPS, this will change. Then this will change. That is for cutting, and that is for hematite. That is like population. Population that you can join them.
So you can use the blue foot switch.
Yeah. But now we cannot use it.
That's just because this one is.
Because sometimes while doing laser, you will damage some tissue.
Then
So
you
you
have
can
problem.
no need to bring out this fiber and do other procedures. The same machine can do both.
Left and right. This is pedal. This is called left. This is right side. So the color code. So you can